with some balanced vibrations. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what it's like cleaning my Megahome Water Distiller. So this is the water distiller I have. It is around $240. You do want to stay away from distilled water that is in plastic because it leaches the plastic. Okay. So this is what my distiller looked like before I cleaned it. I hadn't cleaned it in around 4 to 5 months, just to give you an idea of what it looks like after it's built up and hasn't been cleaned. So what you're looking at is pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, glyphosate, which is the active ingredient in Roundup. You're also looking at fluoride, pharmaceuticals, inorganic minerals, which are basically like rocks. And what happens is these things get into the intestinal wall and then get into the lymphatic system, which end up accumulating in the tissues and internal organs, causing poor cellular respiration, eventually killing off cells and a slew of other problems. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how I cleaned it out, and I'll just say this now, it was a fucking struggle. I used hot water, some citric acid that came with the water distiller to help break up these inorganic minerals. I mean, it's basically like breaking up rocks. So I used 2 tablespoons of that, and I ended up heating it up for around an hour, and that was able to do some damage. I then had to go in with some baking soda and apple cider vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. It works a lot better and it's cheaper. So yeah, I used that to help break up what was at the bottom, because at the bottom it's the most dense and the most thick. And it smells terrible. Like when you're cleaning it and you're boiling it, it smells really, really bad. Just to give you an idea of like what this is like. And then I had to go in with the metal scrubber, and I really had to put some arm into this because it's like caked up on there. So that's basically how you clean your water distiller. This is what it ended up looking like after. So you can just imagine like how you have to put some work to clean this out of your body.